Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing pretty well, and I'm also doing pretty well. Today I'm going to share my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, I try to speak this language because I'm hardly, if I had to concentration, then I would be able to more fluent this language. I believe if I try to again and again, then I will be as if anything as soon as possible. I think no need to say for yourself. You need to continue work in your dream. Then you will be able to achieve for your dream as much as possible. When I was beginner, manual I try to keep practicing a little bit day by day. I think it's time to never give up for myself. I think our surroundings and peoples are really bad person. If you don't believe me for yourself, those peoples destroy for your own life. That's why I think you must be learning day by day. Then you will be as if you dream as much as possible. In fact, I can see in my village side most of the people couldn't talking about anything for another people. These people always thinking about for your own life. I think it will be terrible for yourself if you don't know about for your life. However, when I was realized for myself, after that I am share my thoughts in my friends. Even my friends talk about is everything money, but in my village side most of the fans, these fans couldn't struggle hard for his own family. This most of the family earning money, after that he will eat and wasting money, whole money for his own life. He don't save money for his own family. I think it was awful for your own family. You should be save money for his life. After that it will be good for your own life. I think you must be looking for any kind of job as much as possible, because you need to making lots of money. After that you will be helping for your own family as well as yourself. In the village side, I think this place different place. If you don't believe me for yourself, then your own family destroy for your life. Even without money, I thought this life is painful. That's why you must be earning money for yourself. So that's all fit about me. Thank you everyone for your patient habit. See you next video. Have a nice day.